Welcome to this video guide on investing in federal government of Nigeria bonds. We will explore how these securities can help you build wealth safely. In this video, we will cover what FGN bonds are, their benefits and risks, key investment terms, a step-by-step process to get started, and tips for building your strategy. FGN bonds are long-term debt securities issued by the Nigerian government through the Debt Management Office. By buying these bonds, you are essentially lending money to the government, which pays you interest and returns your capital at the end of the term. The government borrows to fund national development projects like infrastructure and education. Investors choose FGN bonds because they offer regular income, capital preservation, and are backed by the federal government. Key features include fixed interest rates and semi-annual payments. Important terms to know are coupon rate, yield, face value, maturity date, and the difference between primary and secondary markets. FGN bonds are accessible to most investors, including individuals, business owners, and organizations. While they are among the safest investments in Nigeria, be aware of risks like inflation, interest rate fluctuations, liquidity, and opportunity costs. Your investment journey involves 11 steps, categorized into 4 phases: preparing your goals, getting set up with a licensed broker, participating in the auction, and finally, receiving your allotment and earning payments. At maturity, your original capital is repaid in full. If you need cash sooner, you can sell your bond on the secondary market. You can also compound your wealth by reinvesting your coupon payments. Compared to other options like treasury bills or fixed deposits, FGN bonds offer unique features. Be sure to avoid common mistakes, such as investing money you may need soon or ignoring the impact of inflation. In summary, FGN bonds provide a safe, reliable way to earn regular income and build long-term wealth. Always conduct your own research or consult with a licensed investment advisor before making financial decisions.